Hi everybody, I wanted to talk to you about a Chrome extension that is available. It is called Why Salesforce. It works really well for functionality Salesforce hasn't come out with yet. It's very easy to add, so you just get the Why Salesforce extension, add it to your tab, or you'll have a button where you can add it. And let me show you what it does and why you would like it. So I've gone into a Trailhead Playground and I went into the back end, and typically you only have the home and the object manager, but now I have added 4 new tabs, and I want to show you how I do that and why it's important. Anytime I'm on the back end of my Salesforce org, there are very common places I go, and so for me it's the flow, all sites, users, and home. I also go to company information. I'll show you how to add that tab as well. And let me show you, I'm going to go to company information and show you what we're going to work with. So when you add these tabs, you're going to grab up here in the URL everything from the / lightning over. And this is a general link. So if you close this org and you have another one open, it will still put the same tabs, because it will persist on the computer you have it on and open in any org. So they are universal. So if I want to add a tab, I've copied this. I'm going to click on my Why Salesforce. Now you can see I've already done it, but I've done it in a way I want to show you some new functionality. So just to start, I'm going to hit add, and I can name it anything I want. So let's say company details. And I hit paste. The new functionality that has been added is this new tab. You can choose to have it open in a new tab or stay in the same tab, and I'll demonstrate that in a minute. Another fun thing is the home. If you want to go back to the front end, just put a /. Now this was created by Warren Walters, and he allowed me to go in and modify the code to add the new functionality with the new tab that we're looking at. So I'm going to hit save. Just so you know, right now it doesn't give you a success message, but it does save. This is something we will work on adding in the future, but I'm going to hit save. Now I'm going to refresh the page. Salesforce loads first and then the tabs, and now you can see company details. Now what I want to show you is for flow, I said I wanted it to open in the new tab. So it opens in a new tab. I prefer mine to open in a new tab so I don't lose where I'm at. But the other ones don't open in new tabs because I didn't set them to open in new tabs. So all of these will just open in the same tab. Now I have the option to just go over here and update that and then hit save. But I want to show you another piece of functionality. I'm actually going to show you this in a minute. If you click home, I really dislike when, to get back to the front end of Salesforce, I have to go over here to the waffle menu. So that's where you just put the /, takes me back out to where I started. All right, let's go back here. So the other functionality, let's delete everything. Before, when you had no tabs, this save button was still available to save. When I delete everything now, this is not able to save. So that part is really kind of neat. Now I am going to add some back in here. My company information. I want to add users. I always end up on that page, and this is really helpful, especially when you work in lots of different orgs like I do. I want to add all sites because that for me is hitting those Experience Cloud sites, and I go to those quite a bit. Let me grab the link. I've already got it pasted in another document. Another one I go to is Flow. I think a lot of people probably go to Flow. And I want to add that home one, which is just a /. Now I want all mine to open in new tabs. I'm going to hit save. And now, right now, company details is not company information, and I've got them in a different order, so let's see them rearrange. And there you go. So now I have everything I need to get where I want. This opens in a new tab. It takes me back to the home. These are common places. This will persist in every org that I open on this computer. And if you want to be really, I guess cheeky is a word for it, and you do have a place you go all the time, like LinkedIn. I'll add my LinkedIn here. I can actually add a direct link. Let me go grab that. It's not logged in. So I'm just going to go to another link. Let's just go to Google. Say I want the ability to go to Google anytime I want. We can save that. Let's refresh that. And there's Google. It'll take me straight to Google. So you can do that. I don't need that. We are looking to add more functionality in the future. We just have not had the time to do this. So again, this was created by Warren Walters. There's a couple of us, Chris Rouse and myself, who've made upgrades to it over time. So let me know what you think and if you enjoy using it.